Hello, my name is Aksham Gar. I'm a finance intern at Insect Family. Today I'm going to express my views on topic breaking into investment banking as a career changer. So breaking into investment banking as a career changer is a tough job but not impossible. So today I'm going to discuss about few points that need to kept in mind for a successful transition. So starting with understanding the industry. So basic agenda is to understand the industry by researching how it structures, what are the roles and functions of it. So learn about different divisions such as merger and acquisitions, sales and trading, and equity research as well. If we have the proper knowledge, we will be able to focus and target the specific area we need to get into. So next point is leverage transferable skills. So highlight the skills and experience that you have gained from the previous industry that can be applied into the investment banking. So this skills anything like financial analysis or project management, good communication, good team spirit, etc. So if we have the proper skills that can be benefit for the investment banking role, we need to mention that. So next point is fill knowledge gap. So first we need to identify if there is any financial gap we have, and with that we need to fill with. So we need to fill by ensuring enrolling into the certain certifications or courses that can help to get a good job in investment banking. So next step is build a network. So if we need to get into any corporate job, this stage network is very important. So firstly we need to identify the professionals who are working into the industry by connecting them on the LinkedIn, which is a great website to connect with the professionals. So next is attend the webinars or events. So financial industry like investment banking is we get into that events, we are able to get the knowledge of how the investment banking as a industry works. So that will be very beneficial if we build the network and connect with them on timely basis and get the updates from there on. So next step is pursue internship. So get into any entry level job into investment banking. Firstly, if we don't able to get the specific area we are targeting for, but get into any division we are getting. If we able to get that, it is a stepping stone, and from there on we will able to get proper company and proper area we are specifying targeting for. So next step is prefer any additional courses or degree we can do. So if we can have the time and resources available, so we can opt for any specific degree of MBA or any MBA in finance that can help into, like Chandigarh University are offering MBA finance degree with the affiliation from NSC, we can say. So these are very beneficial degrees we can opt for, so that we can get the experience from best career experts, so the best experience experts we can see. So this is the points that we need to keep in mind, as breaking into industrial banking is not is a serious job. So we need to do a proper research if we need to get into this industry. So that's it. Thank you so much.